A natural waterfall is a stunning feature of the landscape where water flows over a vertical drop or cliff. It is often formed in the upper course of a river where layers of hard rock lie over softer rock. Over time, the softer rock erodes more quickly, creating a drop. Waterfalls can vary in size from small cascades to massive plungers. Many people visit waterfalls for recreation, hiking, and photography. Famous waterfalls like Niagara Falls or Angel Falls attract millions of tourists each year. They are beautiful examples of nature's power and beauty.